Merlin likes oatmeal. He likes my oatmeal water. You're going to have to put it over so it doesn't drip on your pants, I guess.
Big spoon.
I know, we need a big spoon. Oatmeal in a cup. Usually we have a bigger spoon, don't we, Merly? Huh? I don't think this is going to work too good.
Doesn't it have a telephoto thing you can shoot on it?
From a distance?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Merlin. Merlin. He's no fool. There's the oatmeal. Now you get him his paw.
Come on up here, Merles.
Here he goes.
What is that anyway, huh?
The old honey pot. There's a soft paw.
Huh. Yeah, we've been trying to track, and we think Merlin's right-handed.
He likes it right-handed.
Right pawed.
Mm-hmm.
The paw. This is organic oatmeal. It's not Quaker Oats or nothing. It's the real deal. It's not even boiled. Just put boiling hot water over it and let it sit and absorb. We have to stop him before he's personally finished because he's...
Turn into a blue. Right, Merlin?
Oh, Merlin.
Okay, a couple more spoonfuls.
Pawfuls. He loves the water. Oh yeah, put your little face all the way down in it, and then try to open your mouth. Merly, put your little face down in there.
It's too much on the sides. Okay.
You know, he really hasn't eaten that much.
No,
How many little flecks do you get just on your paw there each time? Let me see. Just a couple.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to go? Let's go for a little more walking, eh?
Hey, man, you can finish what's here. Finish that.